Last time, we felt the burn in the hottest places in the universe, but now, let's cool things down. Today, we're traveling to the coldest places ever found, from icy planets to the freezing edge of space itself. Let's start close to home, our solar system. You might think Neptune, farthest from the Sun, is the coldest, but surprise, it's not. The real champion is Uranus. It can get down to minus 224 degrees Celsius. That's colder than any other planet. Even though Neptune is farther away, Uranus has a colder atmosphere. Scientists think something strange happened long ago that keeps it icy cold. On Neptune, the winds are so fast, over 2,000 kilometers per hour, they could freeze anything in seconds. Imagine wind colder and faster than a rocket ship. Now, what if we go into deep space, far away from any stars or planets? Out there, it's so cold it makes Antarctica feel warm. The average temperature of space is minus 270 degrees Celsius, only a few degrees above absolute zero. And absolute zero, at minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, is the coldest anything can ever get. That's when atoms stop moving completely. Even in space, some places get warmer, like near stars or galaxies, but most of the universe is just cold, dark, and super empty. Scientists have found some of the coldest places in space. One of them is a dark cloud called the Boomerang Nebula. It's so cold, about minus 272 degrees Celsius. That's just 1 degree above absolute zero. It's colder than the background temperature of space itself, the coldest natural place we've ever found. Here on Earth, scientists have also made things colder than space, inside special labs. In a lab, they used lasers and magnets to cool atoms to minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, the coldest temperature possible. At that point, atoms move so slowly they almost stop, and scientists call this quantum freezing. Did you know your freezer is only about minus 18 degrees Celsius? That's nothing compared to space. In Antarctica, the coldest temperature on Earth was minus 89 degrees Celsius, recorded at Vostok Station. Dry ice, which looks like fog, isn't frozen water. It's frozen carbon dioxide that's minus 78 degrees Celsius. And liquid nitrogen? That's minus 196 degrees Celsius, cold enough to freeze a banana solid. So now we've seen the hottest and the coldest places in the universe. From fire-hot stars to icy space clouds, science shows us how extreme our universe can be. Next time, we'll explore something out of this world again. So stay curious and stay cool, because science is chill.